Well, here to help us get to the truth about our towels is lifestyle expert Ashley Chennel. Thanks so much for joining us today, Ashley.
Thanks for having me. So who knew we were wearing our towels wrong this whole time?
Who knew?
So what you're going to do, right? For men, obviously you guys would do it at the waist. For women, we would do it up here.
Yes.
Okay.
So you would take your towel, take one side, tuck it under, tuck the other side, and then just start rolling until it's secure. But you want to make sure you get it all the way around so that you're nice and snug. So now you guys can go running. You can probably do some cartwheels. Whatever
Shake
you need to
your
do.
Fashion lifestyle expert Ashley Chennel is here with us to give her recommendations on gifts for the whole family that they can enjoy this holiday season.
That's right. So I have a bunch of different things here for the family, just to bring your family together. So I have the dirty cookie here. You can take a shot with these. I thought these would be so much fun for the holidays to just share with your family. You can even do it with the kids. You can fill them with whipped cream, ice cream, and they actually make them for any occasion.
All right, next, your friends invite you to an early brunch. How are you feeling? You're RCs. How are you different?
I feel great. I'm just deciding between the pancakes and eggs Benedict.
Okay. And what is this? What did you make here?
So I made a chia seed pudding, and I topped it with the apple cinnamon cereal. I did that because chia seed pudding is kind of bland, so you want to add something to add a little bit of taste to it. And the cereal was just like perfect for adding flavor. So I added some almonds, apples.
Good combination. The chia seed's very clever. All right. So I challenged 2 members from my bike club to find and cook a delicious recipe that incorporates mushrooms and the stems. Let's see what they came up with. We got Ashley here. And Ashley, what did you use to make you made a broth there, is that right?
Yes, a mushroom broth. I actually used shiitake mushroom stems to make it, and a little garlic, kosher salt, and leeks.
But you used to throw away the stems, I understand.
Yeah, well, most recipes call for mushroom caps. They really don't tell you to put the stems in, so I usually don't use them when I...
Salt and pepper, some Gruyere, just because it's melty.
Good.
Thank you.
The stems, they taste just as soft as the buttons do. How'd you make them soft?
I usually just bake them for like 10 to 15 minutes just to get them a little soft before I do anything to them. And then I add them to my recipes.
It's a very clever idea. And why waste money? You're buying the whole mushroom anyway.
Just buy the stems.
Compared to all their meltabilities. And the winner is?
Butter spread.
Oh my goodness, butter spread again.
Yeah.
I never thought that was possible.
I mean, honestly, coconut oil spread, it melted better, but I like a little bit flavor in it. Like, I want it to be a thick, I want it to have, still be buttery, but melt and go down easy, I guess.
Oh my God.
So yeah, I like the butter spread better.
It's like the blowtorch part of the experiment.
That was the best part.
Meal prepping today with Ashley Chennel. Thank you for being here.
Thank you for having me.
Where do we get started?
Okay, so we're gonna start off with overnight oats. These are great to make the night breakfast. I'm actually gonna demonstrate this for you guys, but first, I'm gonna talk to you guys about this pea protein I have here.
Protein.
Yes, pea protein. So you can add this to your overnight oats or any water you wanna drink in the morning. You can also add it to a smoothie. It works really, really well. It pairs well because it's smooth. So you can just put it in here. I'm gonna show you. So I'm gonna take 1 cup, or this is actually a half cup of almond milk. Pour it in here.
Tasty.
And I'm really excited about the almond milk.
And then I'm going to add a half cup of steel cut oats. And we're just going to mix
it. It happens when we don't plan ahead. So we brought in an expert to help us meal prep. Ashley Chennel joining us. I think this is your debut on the show.
It is.
We're so glad to have
me.
you. I can't wait to get to something that tastes like bacon. We're going to talk about that in just it is phenomenal.
You guys are going to love it. It's so good.
Let's start though with the vegan BLT.
Okay, so I have a vegan BLT here. So what we're going to do is we're going to take these unsweetened coconut flakes, pour them in a bowl.
You're actually starting with it. Okay,
yes,
love that.
Super easy to make. You're going to need some liquid smoke here.
Okay, and you can find that in the condiment section.
Over by like the barbecue sauce and ketchup. You're going to mix it up. Literally just mix it into the flakes.
Got it.
You're gonna take some pepper or salt and pepper if you'd like. You don't have to. This is honestly enough. Sometimes I use a little bit of soy sauce just to give it a little more flavor. And then you're just going to take them on a little baking pan.
Like a cooking sheet?
Exactly. And spread it out.
Oh, wow. Okay.
and then you just pop them in the oven, and they literally crisp up.
What are you doing?
Like
400 degrees?
350.
350 for
no more than 10 minutes. They burn really fast.
Can I tell you, this really tastes like bacon?
They do.
I would not tell you that. You know at home if it didn't.
Now, lifestyle contributor Ashley Chennel is with us today to show us some quick, easy, and even healthy meals. Now, you know I need help.
So I also have some Asian chopped salad here. The reason why we put everything like out like this is because you want to keep it fresh throughout the day. So when you're packaging it, you can take these sides and put them in like little Ziploc bags, then add them later to your salad to keep it fresh. That way it won't get soggy. You can either take like a little small container and put your salad dressing in it and add that as well. And that'll keep your salad fresh for the day.